Right.
Hey, it's John and John back from Chicken Ship Farms. Gonna do some reviews today. We've got Ozark Trail Frog Kit here. Gonna let Jay show it to you.
Okay. Alright, how do you open this thing? Oh, like that.
There you go.
Alright, first of all, I don't know why there's two slots here. I don't know if they're missing frogs, but okay.
Let's see what you got there.
I don't know what that is, but first frog we got is about, what do you think that's, like an inch?
Yeah,
and a
maybe
half?
an inch and a half.
Yeah.
Not counting his tails.
Yeah. You can also trim these tails, but I think this is definitely good for our pond, because we have a smaller pond, not big fish in there, and this is probably the best size frog you can actually have in here. Like, all these frogs right here are the best size. Smaller hooks, too, that's good. And I'm probably going to trim some of these tails just a little bit smaller, you know, because I don't like them being so big.
Do you have a problem with the bass hitting the tails instead of the actual body of the frog?
Yeah, that's a problem. That's why I trim them. I don't know, just trim them about like right there, so when they come up and they actually hit that, because they dig it down in their throat when they hit it, so it'll probably get the hook more. Because I've had fish come up and eat it and just take this bottom part all the way down and just bring it down to the bottom, and then it'll float back up, and you'll have to sit there for like a couple seconds, like a minute, waiting for them to actually get the whole thing in their mouth. Yeah, this is a good color for the pond. I also like this one. Do they all have white bellies? They do. See, that's good for murky water. And these tails right here is good. This one's probably good. They're probably all good. I like the green and black pieces like going down here. There's like strands, I guess. Definitely not like 100% looking like a realistic frog, but pretty close. And yeah, that's probably a good size for our pond.
What are the colors you got in there?
We have literally pretty much the same frog, but this one has yellow and then like brown. Kind of looks like a bullfrog-ish. If this was not yellow, it'd be like, I don't know. Then we got a fully yellow one with white. With this tail, I think could work in murky water. It's like it has the yellow and then it has the white, which is actually pretty cool. Now I don't know if I'll like cut this one just because of like how it is, but yeah, that's probably what I'll do. I don't know about these frogs, if they'll fill up with water and then you'll have to like squeeze them and drop all the water out. I'll find that out when I fish them today.
Alright, so you got a 3-pack of
these tiny inch and a half
the frogs for, what were they, $4.96 I think?
Yeah, about $5.
Nice.
Not bad.
Alright, yeah, we'll give them a check and we'll see what happens and let them know, huh?
Yep.
Alright, appreciate it, guys.
Bye.